Masakichi Suzuki. Year 1859 to 1944. Suzuki was Japan's first luthier to focus exclusively on building string quartet instruments, shamizans, traditional Japanese plucked string instruments, and to make the first concert guitars. He founded the Suzuki Violin Co. in Nagoya in 1887, won several medals in international exhibitions, and earned an outstanding reputation for the quality of his violins. He started making guitars toward the end of the century, and from 1930 produced the Lecote model, inspired by the work of the great French luthier, and in particular by the guitar that Morishige Take brought back to Japan. The woods are the same as those used for violins: spruce for the soundboard and maple for the body.